Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Conflicts with kids. Let's make our kids problem solvers and teach them how to manage their conflicts at their own. Parent-child conflict can be defined as an aspect of the parent-child relationship that is characterized by discordant and acrimonious interactions during which both of the parents and child display negative behaviors and affects. In the school system, interpersonal conflicts occur between teacher versus teacher and student versus students. A frequent cause of interpersonal conflict in the school system is personality clash. When two teachers distrust each other's motives and dislikes one another or for some other reasons cannot get along, the conflict occurs. So what causes conflicts in children? Other causes of family fighting can be differences in opinion, poor communication, changes in the family such as a new baby or maybe divorce. Siblings, rivalry or a discipline issue can cause conflicts. So what does conflict resolution mean for kids? Conflict resolution education is the act of instilling problem-solving skills in the children who are in a dispute. Teaching children about conflicts helps them to identify problems. It also helps them to choose the best solutions on their own. So with a few strategies, kids can become problem solvers and maintain their friendship even when conflict occurs. Teach the spotlight. Ask your child to close his eyes and picture a spotlight. Model empathy. Practice talking about feelings. Practice brainstorming solutions. Create a jar of problem-solving sticks. Now there is need to follow the steps of conflict resolution for kids. Stop, say, think, choose, and respect. Stop. Don't let things get out of control. Say what the conflict is about. Think of positive options. Choose a positive option that each of you can agree on. Respect the opinions of others even if you can't.